Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Hello.
Hello, teacher Sharon.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Alright, let's start. Can you please introduce yourself first?
Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nina. I'm from Vietnam. I'm 9 years old. I like apple. I like blue.
Okay, what grade are you in?
And in grade 4.
Okay, and how are you doing? How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, that's good to hear. Now, thank you for introducing yourself, Mo. Now let's proceed with A. So to read, can you read?
There's the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay, good. What day is today?
Today is Wednesday.
Wednesday. What about yesterday? What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Thursday.
Tuesday. Yesterday was?
Tuesday.
Good. What about tomorrow? What day will be tomorrow?
Tomorrow will be Thursday.
Tomorrow will be Thursday. That's correct. Okay, next. Let's talk about the weather. Can you please read? House.
House, weather.
Weather.
Weather. Sunny, rainy, windy, cloudy, snowy, foggy, stormy.
Okay. How's the weather today?
Today is sunny.
It's cloudy. Okay, good. Now let's talk about the months of the year. Can you please read?
Month of the year. January, February, March, April,
April.
May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Okay, good job. What month is this one?
March is autumn.
It's
August.
August. Okay, next. Can you tell me who is she?
Mother
Mother. What's her name?
is
What's her name? Claire.
Claire.
What's her name?
Claire.
Okay, what about him? Who is he? Paul.
Paula.
Okay, what's his name? Steve.
Steve.
Okay, what about her? What's her name?
Sister.
Sister. Yes, sister. What is her name? Name. I am teacher Cherry. You are not. What's her name? This one. What's her name? Her name. She is
She is Shirley.
Emma.
Emma.
What's her name?
Emma.
Okay, what about him?
Robert.
Robert. What is his name? Alex.
Alice.
Okay, good. Next, who are they?
Parents.
All of them.
Children. Family. Friend.
Okay, good. Next, who is she?
Network. Grandmother.
Yes.
Grandfather. Uncle.
Uncle.
Aunt.
Aunt.
Grandparent.
Grandparents.
Teacher. Aunt.
She's cousin.
Cousin.
Who is she?
Cousin.
Okay, this is the aunt. So she's the
Cousin.
cousin. Okay, good. Now let's talk about the soft C and the hard C. How do you say the soft C?
C.
S.
S.
How do you say the soft C? S.
S.
How about the hard C? K.
K.
Okay, again. Soft C is S. Hard C is
K.
good. Okay, can you please read?
Telephone.
Cell phone.
Cell phone. Kitty. Bicycle. Camera. Color. Couple.
Okay, good. Now, you have to read, or we will read the different kinds of families.
Different.
Kinds.
Kind.
Kinds.
Kind. big families. Some children have one parent. Therefore,
Lives.
is that they
Spend.
spend a lot of time together. They do fun things.
Good job. Next.
These children with their mom and dad in the Navy
Wheeler.
family. There are two brothers, our mom and our dad,
Okay, next.
grandmas and grandpas.
Grandpas.
Grandpas can live with their children's families.
Stella's.
Stella's families is big. There are
Six.
six people in her family. She
Likes.
likes living with her grandparents. They are fun.
Okay, and good job. Look, you're done with your secret